Before we train any models, let us set up your toolbox. In this lesson you will meet the 4 tools that carry you through the entire course. And you will check that everything works on your own computer. Everything we do stacks on 4 tools. Python is the language we write in. Jupyter is the workbench where we run code and see results instantly. Pandas handles our data. And scikit-learn provides the machine learning models. Each layer builds on the one below it. Jupyter organizes your code into cells. You run one cell at a time, and the output appears right beneath it. A later cell can use the results of an earlier one, so you build an experiment step by step and see every intermediate result along the way. That instant feedback is why data scientists love notebooks. Pandas gives us the data frame. A table with rows and columns, like a spreadsheet you control with code. You can filter down to the rows you care about. And create new columns computed from existing ones. Almost every dataset in this course will pass through a data frame first. Scikit-learn is where the models live, and every one of them speaks the same 2-step language. First, fit. The model studies your data. Then, predict. It answers questions about data it has never seen. Learn this fit and predict pattern once, and you can drive every model in this course. Installing everything takes one command. From your terminal, run pip install pandas, scikit-learn, and Jupyter. Then let it finish. If you prefer an all-in-one option, the Anaconda distribution ships with all of these tools already included. Now, the moment of truth. Open a notebook and check each tool, one line at a time. If all 4 checks pass without an error, your machine is ready for everything ahead. Let us recap. Python is the language. Jupyter is the workbench. Pandas handles the data. And scikit-learn brings the models. Your setup is verified and ready. In the next lesson we put all 4 to work, and you will train your very first machine learning model. In just 10 lines of code.